We're gonna show you how to make a birthday cake banana pudding. Are you ready?
Yes.
Woo! What do you want to say?
What's up, people, man?
Woo! So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by making a roux, and we're gonna use a stick of butter. While the stick of butter is melting, we're gonna add a little bit of all-purpose flour, and this is gonna like thicken it up. We're gonna add about that much flour. We're just melting it up. See? Everything is melting. I'm gonna turn this on low because it burns.
I got it, man.
Good. So Annabella gave us some vanilla bean ice cream, and that's what we're gonna add in here. This is gonna make a really nice thick banana pudding. So while this is melting, I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna stir our flour. So as we can see, the ice cream has melted and it's starting to thicken with the flour. So now we're gonna take the egg yolks and mix it with a little sugar and some flavors, and we're gonna do our magic. You ready? We're gonna take 6 egg yolks. You can come closer. And I'm just draining it so I don't get any of the whites. I just want the egg yolks. I'm gonna put that into our bowl. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of sugar. We're gonna whisk this all together. We're also gonna take a little bit of our custard. Stir. Okay. To this, we're gonna add a little bit of cake batter flavor. Banana pudding tastes like a birthday cake. A pinch of salt in here to add to flavor. Stir it in. We gotta stir this constantly so it doesn't
Dry.
smelling so good. Also gonna add a little spoon of whipped cream cheese for extra richness. So we're gonna stir until it gets nice and thick. So as you can see, this custard came out so perfect. This pudding, look at the texture of that. You see that? So now we're gonna cut up our bananas. And I like to cut them at a little angle. So as we cut the banana, we're gonna take a little bit of lemon juice and just sprinkle them in so they don't turn brown on us, you know? Our favorite part of the dessert is here, where we get to layer birthday cake cookies. They have actual sprinkles and colors inside. So we're gonna put Oreos along the bottom. One more. Bananas, and we're gonna put a banana on top of each one. We're gonna take some of these sprinkles, sprinkle it all in there. This custard. Spoon it out a little bit more. Now we're gonna take some more custard and cover this layer.
Is this all done? It's all done, though.
Not yet. What we're gonna do? More cookies.
Yay!
Now I'm back.
Can we eat them?
Nope. You gotta put them on the. Okay. We're gonna. Finally, we're gonna end with cookies. And press it down slightly. I'm gonna make it a little small. So now we're gonna do some whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. To do that, we got some whipping cream. We're gonna add some powdered sugar, up some. We're gonna add just a little bit of the cake batter flavor.
Food coloring?
Now we're gonna whisk our whipped cream together. So our whipped cream is nice and fluffy and thick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put some nice dollops of whipped cream on top. Yeah, we're gonna go all along
Chop
that.
Oreos on top of it.
You know it.
It's better when it's homemade.
Oh, everything's always better when it's homemade. Those right on top like that.
5K, I want to try with Oreo.
You want to try some? Here, eat. For our final shot, we're just gonna come in here with a little bit of syrup. Oh yeah, let me do that for everyone, like that.
A real
And
birthday
then
cake.
we got some blue syrup. I made this with coconut.
Ooh.
Look at that, guys. We have the most beautiful birthday cake banana pudding on the planet. And thanks for your help in making it. Are you excited? Yeah? Are you excited? So this is how we're gonna cut it into. We're gonna dig into it. Look how it just glides in. And we're gonna go deep inside it. Who wants the first scoop? Look at all those beautiful colors. Look at inside all that magic. Oh yeah. Now taste it and let us know how it comes out. That's the whipped cream. You gotta get in deep now.
I want the whipped cream. This is good.
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me now? I know now.
We're doing another batch.
We're gonna do another batch? You like it that much?
I want now.
You guys are gonna love this at home. Make this recipe.
Now, Daddy.
Yes. All right.